Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 6 would like to present about conditional if type 0, 1, 2, 3. The member Aris Lukman, Erni Herawati, Aldera Donda.
In Indonesian, a conditional sentence can also be called a conditional sentence. As a name implies, this sentence has not happened or has not been carried out because it is still just wishful thinking. However, you need to know that conditional sentences actually have several types with different conditions. Definition of conditional sentence in simple terms. A conditional sentence is a compound sentence that contains conditions regarding a supposition, imagination, or an event that has not yet happened. In English sentences, this conditional sentence begin with if a sign that the condition has not occurred. The conditional sentence form is if clause plus main clause. If you notice, this if clause is part of the conditional sentence. Meanwhile, the main clause usually contains consequences or consequences of the precondition condition. Types of conditional sentence: conditional sentence type 0, conditional sentence type 1, conditional sentence type 2, conditional sentence type 3.
Conditional sentence type 0. Type is usually referred to as zero conditional sentence. This type of sentence is used when the result of consequence of a condition are manifest, aka explaining general truths and scientific fact. This sentence is usually in the form of the present tense with the formula if plus simple present. Simple present. If we burn paper, it's become us. Example number 1. I feel sick if I eat too much. 2. If you don't brush your teeth, you get cavities. 3. When people smoke cigarettes, their health suffers. Conditional sentence type 1. A first conditional sentence is a form of conditional sentence used when the result of consequence has the possibility to occur in the future. This can happen because there are realistic conditions that make sense for the possibility to occur. Therefore, the sentence form of this first type of conditional sentence has the form of a simple future sentence, aka the sentence that will come. The formula for this sentence is if plus simple present, simple future will, or imperative. Example number 1. I will cook dinner tonight if you clean the house. Number 2. If you get your mind to a goal, you will eventually achieve it.
Conditional type 2. Second conditional sentence are a type of conditional sentence that are used when the result of or consequences only have manifested expectations, even though the probability is very small. So it can be said that this second type of conditional sentence does not necessarily happen, but it can also. This sentence form, the formula used if is simple past or where, bold, could, might, were infinite. Conditional sentence type 3. A third conditional sentence is a conditional sentence when a condition cannot be realized at all. This can be described as being due to absolutely impossible conditions or just a dream or imaginations. Example 1. If you had remembered to invite me, I would have attended your party. 2. We might have gone to South America if she had not been pregnant.